All right, here's the big boy right here. Look at that. Here's the big boy. To take that out on some trips, and me and the wife and the family, we go out. Here's that one belongs to my daughter and son-in-law. We let them leave it here so they don't have to pay any rent. There's the field. I had a person contact me. Well, they put a comment in the YouTube chat, and they said they're not impressed by the vehicles, and also they thought they could be leased. Not to say that there's anything against people who lease a vehicle. I don't lease mainly just because I keep my vehicles. Other people, I have friends who lease vehicles. They are multimillionaires and they still lease vehicles because they like to trade out a vehicle either a year or 2 years or 3 years. Yeah, they lose equity, but they're not into having the vehicle for that. Now, you remember, there's different reasons why people will have a vehicle. Number one, everybody want to look good in the vehicle. For me, when I was younger, wanting to look good, people seeing me. Now, at my age now, I want to have what I believe I deserve, and the vehicles I have is what I deserve, and it doesn't matter if people look at me or not. It's what I want for me, my comfort, what I believe I deserve, what I work for with business. And also, if you've noticed, I'm still walking. My my mailbox is more than a football field away from my house. A football field. It's a good walk. Now, I want to throw in a little bit of something with Royce. I had to take my vehicle in to get service. There was an issue with the door. It was closing on its own. Let me tell you how good this Royce treats you. I took it in, they fixed that, took care of everything. They also, because of the Providence service plan, you don't pay for anything. Oil changes, you don't pay for nothing but the tires. But check this out. They said this. They did this. They said, hey, or they did. I keep saying they say. They did this. For what was the problem with the left driver's door, they actually said, we don't want to have you have to spend your time bringing your vehicle in if it happened with the other door. They just went ahead and just replaced the passenger doors mechanism, the mechanics in there, the engine. They call it the engine, the door stopping engine. They replaced it, took care of everything on there. So it's new, 100% new on both sides. Now, when have you ever had a service warranty where, like they said, your front brakes are out and we're going to do your rear brakes because you could potentially be coming back here? Essentially, that's what they did. And the mechanics on that, to do everything on there, it was very expensive. But I paid zero. So if you ever go get a Royce, you want to make sure you get it certified, and they call it Providence. When you get the Providence warranty, that means you don't pay for anything but the tires. Nothing but tires. So now, I've been talking for, let's see, for 3 minutes. It took me almost 4 minutes to get from the top of my driveway to the bottom of my driveway. So now, post your questions and comments. I'm interested in what you think. Number one, about Royce's warranty, and then what I'm going to do in the next video that I'm going to do a full walk around of my vehicle, inside and out, because some people have been wanting to know, get more details about it. All right, looking forward to your comments.